Yeah, so I found a new project. It's an ATV. I found the cheapest one in Europe. It was about 500 euros or almost $600. It was the cheapest big bore ATV. And the reason I'm doing this video now when it's dark and windy and rainy is because it matches my mood. Because I'm not getting the part I ordered. It had a problem, but I'm gonna show you the ATV first. It's oh wait, yeah, nice to have a remote control for the lights on my Geländewagen, but it's a TGB 425 Blade or Blade 425. It has just one little problem. There's no engine in it right now because that's in the garage. Very nice effect with the rain and stuff. Click. That's I bought a remote for my for my utility lights on my Mercedes G-Wagon. I can click, turn the back lights off, or the front lights. But those are so bright, I might blind someone who's driving past. Yeah, the problem with the engine is crankshaft, or to be exact, the needle bearings. They weren't in good shape. I don't know about the needle bearings in whatever you drive or how it normally looks in your country. Sorry, banking a little bit. But this is the needle bearings. And normally needle bearings are round, and these are not round. Yeah, Mentos. So here's the rest of the engine. Crankshafts goes in there. That's the counterweight shaft. Here's the one side of the block, all cleaned and ready to be assembled. Only thing is, I ordered the part 17th of August. And he said it was going to be 2 weeks. Now it's the 1st of October. Yay! But he told me it's around the corner. He said it's not his fault because the supplier that he buys them from didn't have them in stock because it's a 10-year-old model. So they had to order it from somewhere in Asia. And it's taking a toll on me because I want to drive this thing. And I hate waiting. And when someone tells me a time or a date, that's what I like to go by. But this guy is he has the philosophy that whatever happens, happens, and when it comes, it comes. And I don't like that. So I had plans to put this engine in. It's a 4-cylinder CB750 engine that I got for free. Because one of the cam followers broke. It's I've checked the engine, it's totally okay. Except that, yeah. But yeah, that's plan B. But hopefully it won't come to that. Because I want to yeah, put it together the way it should be put together. I've lubed up all the parts, like cylinder, checked the head, sorted all the parts out so they're complete. I might be missing some screws or nuts or something, but nothing major at least. There were some bad rollers in the Variomatic, like this one, for example, all hacked up. But I found new ones, cheap. Because, yeah. Ta-da! With the right weight and everything, according to the original. And the good thing about this one is it's registered as a 4-wheeled motorcycle, so there's no speed limit except what it says on the signs by the side of the road. Because many ATVs here are registered as tractors, so they can go 40 or 60 kilometers per hour. And but this one says 92 plus on the registration, so that's nice. And it was the cheapest one in Europe that I could find, because I've been looking for something like this for a long time. And then a colleague of mine had one for sale. It was his father's. He, yeah, the rod, the needle bearing got destroyed, and he pulled the engine apart chaotically. So I got it for free because, not for free, it felt for free, since it was just 5,000 Norwegian crowns. Because everyone else, all the other ATVs in the same size and displacement is about 3,000 euros, and this was 500. So that was a good bargain. And even though the crankshaft is quite expensive, it's around 700 euros, it's still gonna be more than half the price of a working one. And I'll know everything about this engine when I start it, because I put it together, I've measured everything, it's within spec of most parts that I measured. That didn't sound that good, but yeah, it's within spec, so I know the engine is healthy, and I'll know how it looks inside and everything. So that's going to be a plus side. But as soon as I get the parts, I'm going to put... I'm not going to use this, and well, not those again. But I'm going to make another video where I put it together and hopefully start it. That's gonna be fun, and go off-roading, because it's 4-wheel drive, and yeah, that's gonna be fun. because I've never owned an ATV before, not a 4-wheel drive one. So that could be nice. This is not part. This is a Suzuki TSX engine. Yeah. I'm not going to put this in. This 50 cubic centimeters. That's the moped. So yeah. I just wanted to make a video because it's been a long time since I made any video at all, which feels a little bit dumb actually. But not much have happened. Lots of working to make money. Yeah, could be fun because I'm buying a house, so I can build or get a better garage than this little thing. Yeah, but the good thing is, while I'm waiting for the part, I still have my motorcycle. It's a BMW K1600. 1600 straight 6 with 160 horsepower and 0 to 100 in under 3 seconds. So it's not slow, even though it has full bags. And it does easily 200 kilometers an hour with me and the girlfriend on it. Haven't tried, but yeah. So this is the first video of my new project, and hope I'll get to make another video soon so we can have a little bit of fun with this, and I'll see you soon. Have a nice day, and do something stupid.